Good morning. It is Tuesday, May 28th. Better recognize when I see you, I really want you. Hit the club for you. Light skin got it new. Even look like long too. I be tripping with this money, yeah. Hit the strip. I woke up like an hour, like 2 hours ago. It's 10, about to be like 10:30. But I have a nail appointment today at 12. But I woke up real hungry, so I want to see what I can make to eat for breakfast. Yeah, but first I'm gonna go brush my teeth and wash my face. I already put my outfit on for the day. I think it's cute, and I match my camera. Okay, yeah, this is the fit. This top is from OQQ. Sweatpants from TikTok shop. The brand is called Diddy Girl. It says it on the back. It comes with a matching jacket. I got these tattoos. They're kind of hard to like show. I gotta put my camera down. They're peeling right now, so they don't look the best, but I'm really excited for them to stop peeling. And then this one, just 777. This one didn't really hurt for real. Well, it did, but like then I just kind of got used to it, I guess. So my eyebrows are actually starting to grow back the way that I like them. And I'm super happy about that because it was looking crazy for a while. I went to go get a pedicure the other week, like 2 weeks ago, and they were talking about eyebrow waxing, and then I was not a part of the conversation because I know they was looking crazy, a mess. And then the lady that was doing some other girl's toes, she was like, her eyebrows need wax. Like, talking about me. Like, she was just trying to do a little kiki, but I wasn't a kiki because I was not in the conversation at all. Let me see what I can make to eat. So I was thinking that I could just make some eggs, but May 28th. So those are going into the trash. I have no groceries. This is actually embarrassing. I have those French toast sticks. I'm not in the mood for that though. I do have hash browns, but I don't have the cheese that I like. Only cheese that I have are these little things, and I don't have a cheese grater. I would need to like cut it up, and that seems like a lot of work. It is this huge chunk that didn't break. So.
Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it, and the dirt that they threw on my name turn to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, I'm outside.
That looks disgusting.
29.
So I'm about to bust this down. I haven't made hash browns in a while, or had hash browns. I need to get some groceries so bad. This is, I'm down to 2 bottles of water. All I had for breakfast to make was hash browns. I need to get some more meats. Just regular things. Okay, that's 11:01. I live like 15 minutes away from, I think less than like, I think it's like 11 minutes away from the girl that is doing my nails. Hello? I have a hair appointment on Friday. I cannot wait. These, it's because I be putting the hair growth oil in my hair because I just cut my hair off. I cut it off this time. I did do big chop like 3 years ago, but I cut it, it's like to here right now. I cut it because I kept putting heat on it and it was just dead. So I just cut it a little bit, make it look a little better. But yeah, I got these braids and then have been putting the Mielle growth stuff in. So yeah, it's been growing. These are literally 2 weeks old, but they look about a month old. So I just realized that my nose ring charm is not in the nose ring. This is my cute little jewelry box full of Shein jewelry. These are for earrings, but I have no studs for some reason, and the hoops won't fit in there. But yeah, literally just full of Shein jewelry, and that's why the charm fell out, because it's from Shein. But I'm not even mad at it. But I have this one. I have a lot more jewelry on the way, so I'm trying to figure out if I'm a silver girl or a gold girl. I've been wearing gold for the longest, but I low-key be mixing my jewelry anyways. Like my necklace is silver, earrings silver, nose ring gold, belly ring silver. Why is my okay, yeah, so apparently the only thing on me that's gold is my nose ring. For some reason my nose does not pain. It's not that bad actually, but my nose does not keep studs in, like just regular nose rings, so I have to wear hoop nose rings. My this one is just a little heart. I've been wearing this nose ring for years. Like, just keep getting new ones. Like, this one is brand new. The other one I had was looking all raggedy. It was literally no more rhinestones in it. It was like green. That's really nasty, but anyways, yeah, new nose ring is in. Let me actually figure out where this girl is at, because I know it's not far, but I forget what it is. Okay, period. Even better, she just texted me asking me to come at 12:30 instead of 12 because she has to go to the nail store, which is fine. Listen, one thing about me, I do not care about an appointment being pushed back. Like, hour wise, don't care. Unless it's I'm getting braids done, I need to get that out of the way as soon as possible. As soon as possible. Like, I'm getting my hair done at 9:30 a.m. Supposed to be 9:30 a.m. on Friday. I scheduled it so early because the last time she pushed it back like an hour and a half, which was still fine. I got there at like 11:30 or something, which is fine. But I scheduled it at 9:30 because if she has to push it back, it's still gonna add up. I did my laundry the other day and I have not put those clothes away yet. I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm gonna do it later today. I'm off today, by the way. Obviously, Ben said that, but I have all day to get things done. Yeah, I'm about to just chill here and try to put some of this footage onto my iPad so I can edit later today and watch some YouTube videos. Okay, so it is 12:15. I'm about to order my ride. I have a lot of from TikTok Shop, Body by Raven Tracy, and then some shoes I ordered. So those are coming today. I can't wait. I love getting things. I haven't gotten.
Have you ever had the dreams that you could
Gotten a package since last Thursday. I'm bored. And then the holiday yesterday, Memorial Day. So I've literally been waiting on today. Okay, my driver's here. Let me show y'all the fit. I already showed y'all it for real, but I put the jacket on because I was feeling a little bit big in the waist. But yeah, this fit is so freaking cute. This is the perfume I'm wearing, Aquatic Vanilla from Dossier. This smells so good. People always tell me I smell good when I got it on, so of course I'm gonna keep putting it on. But yeah, this is the fit. He's out there, so I'm about to get in his vehicle and get these nails did. Hello.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
So I got a grocery delivery while I was gone. So this is my nails. This is the shortest I've ever got my nails done. I didn't mean to get them this short, but that's fine. It's not her fault at all, it's my fault. But they're cute though. Still cute, and it's probably a good idea that I got them short because I'm about to have to take these braids out and wash my hair in a couple days, so it'll be a lot easier with shorter nails. Alright y'all, it is time for the grocery haul. Literally everything that I said I didn't have earlier, I ordered. Got some turkey bacon. I'm trying to stop eating pork. Literally nobody around me eats pork. So I'm like, alright, let me stop eating it too. And it's not good for you, but it tastes so good. I'm really only talking about pork bacon. I love me some ham. But anyways, then some chicken breast. I love, what's that stuff called? Chicken Caesar salads. So I use chicken breast for that. And I got some more tater tots. I love tater tots. And then some more hash browns. I forgot how good hash browns were. Those are like the same thing. You can't go wrong with a good potato. And I got some more bread. I'm about to make fish tonight. I just took some fish out the freezer. I meant to take it out when I got up this morning, but I always forget. Yeah, I took out some fish to make tonight. I've been really into fish lately. I love fish. And then, but anyways, I eat my fish with bread, obviously. Then I just got, it's not even, whatever. I got some, what is this? Shredded cheese for my hash browns. And then I just got some eggs. But yeah, now I can make breakfast again. I love making breakfast, I really do. Because breakfast is just so quick and easy to make. Like dinner, it just takes a while. It's just too much seasoning and all that. And then I just got 2 things of water. Waters are so heavy. I hate it. I just saw this girl on TikTok and she did like a video of her putting her groceries away. That girl got $1 million and trillion because she had like her whole like organization like in her refrigerator. What? I don't even have that many groceries at a time to even go grocery shopping like that. But yeah, I'm trying to, hello? I'm debating if I want to order something to eat right now or just have some noodles. Because I probably won't make dinner until like 7. Yeah, till like 7. And it's 3 o'clock. But getting Chipotle delivered, they be BSing, like, because I always want extra cheese and like a lot of rice, but they don't have that option on DoorDash to ask for extra. So they literally put about 1/4 of a spoonful in the bowl. Yesterday when I tried to order it from the app, it wasn't working. Oh, it worked. Okay, period. So I hope I really ordered it right. It didn't sound right. White rice, chicken, corn, and cheese. That's all I get. Ooh, woo, 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 woo. I think my packages just got delivered. Okay, so first of all, I had to get a new Cash App card. So that's what that is. What do we have? Oh, this is like a Lululemon dupe. I can say that on YouTube. On TikTok, that band, I mean, that's a community guideline thing. But this is supposed to be like a Lululemon dupe. I never even saw the Lululemon ones, but whatever. Okay, so this is from the TikTok shop. This is a little romper. Pink, super cute. I have the same one in brown. What is this? Oh, these sets are so freaking cute. It's really just leggings and a shirt. I have it in pink too. But as soon as I saw how the pink one fit, I was like, now I need every other color. So that's what I did. Got every other color. That's the black one. And then I got the orange one. It's the same set. And the like green one. Oh, this is a case for my iPad. Oh, I didn't know it came with a keyboard. What's this cute little keyboard? Where is my iPad? Oh, it is from Body by Raven Tracy. This is my second thing from her, and I have some more on the way. But it is a swimsuit and like a skirt cover-up. I wanted to get the green and yellow one, like all the girls be having, like in Jamaica or something. The bottoms say body. And it has the logo on the back, just a B. But here's the skirt. So freaking cute. Has the B logo and then body on the back. Go follow my Instagram. This is what I'm about to post. Just this, and I tagged her in it because then she's gonna repost it. And then I'm posting this one of my nails. Okay, I didn't put my hair up because it's just too much. But I got another package that I forgot was coming. It is some shoes. Y'all see it, New Balances. Just these. I saw a girl on TikTok with these on and I was like, oh, those are cute. I hope they fit. I've ordered like 2 pairs of shoes and they don't fit. Because I don't know what size I wear in men's. I don't even know what size I wear in women's. I literally, it's either a 6, 6.5, or a 7. I have the dumbest linked foot ever. Okay, period. They fit. I got my Chipotle. Alright, y'all, so I just woke up. It is it's 8:06 actually. But yeah, no, I'm just making those TikTok videos I was talking about of some of the clothes I got today. Let me show y'all the setup. TV. Here is the TikTok camera. Ring light here. And then I just thought this was a cute little area to have as my background. It is. But yeah, I'm just trying to switch it up some because I usually always do my stuff in that mirror. But I'm kind of bored with that. That's literally been my go-to spot since I started TikTok content consistently. And I'm bored of it, and I think everyone else is too. I love my tattoo.
Count to 20.
Alright, y'all, I was just chilling for a second. I edited some videos, some TikTok videos. I'm about to make this fish. It's literally 10:30 p.m.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone and you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, I know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain.